how to change fonts on Instagram bio and caption. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change fonts on Instagram bio and caption. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is to open up a browser or your Safari if you have an iPhone, or any other browser you have on your phone. It might be Google Chrome or any other browsers. So once you have opened your browser, just type in the search bar a font changer, like that, and many options should pop up. So just click on this lingojam.com website that should pop up, and this space right here, this is where you can type in the text you want for your bio or your caption. So for example, just tap on that space, and I'm just gonna type in, and at the space below it, that should show the conversion to the different fonts or different symbols that you can copy. So for example, just scroll through it and to see which one you like for your caption or your Instagram bio. So I'm just gonna select one right here. So I want this font style or the text style. Just simply press and hold on a certain converted text like that, and drag the marker so you can copy that all, and just click on copy. Once you have copied the text that you want, just go to your Instagram app, go to your profile page. So to do that, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner if you're still not at your profile page, and click on edit profile over here. If you want to paste that in your bio, just click on the bio option over here and just delete the current bio you have, or add it if you like. Just click on paste, and that should be shown like that, and click on done at the top right corner. Click on done once again so it will be saved as your Instagram bio. So if you want to set that as your caption rather, just click on a certain post, click on the three dotted button at the top right corner of the post, click on edit, and just change the caption like that, paste it in, click on done once again, and that should be saved as your Instagram caption. So that is how you can basically change fonts on Instagram bio and caption. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.